Have you ever looked at the numbers and letters on your bike tires wondering what they mean? Figuring out tire sizes can be confusing, but it's important to understand them to choose the right tires for your bike. Different types of bikes are designed for different purposes, and each type often requires specific tire sizes to perform best. For example, road bikes use narrower tires for speed and efficiency on smooth tarmac surface. Mountain bikes require wider, more rugged tires for better traction on rough terrains. Folding bikes use smaller wheels to be more compact when folded, making them easier to carry, store and transport. There are three main tire size standards: ETRTO, inch markings, and French size markings. Nowadays, most bicycle tire sizes are marked using the ETRTO, which stands for European Tire and Rim Technical Organization. This tire standard emerged from the need to standardize bicycle tire and rim sizes, driven by international trade and the growing popularity of cycling. The growing international market for bicycles and components required a common standard to ensure compatibility and simplify manufacturing. That's why the ETRTO was established in the mid-20th century to create a clear and precise system for tire and rim sizes. It specifies tire sizes using two key measurements in millimeters: the width of the tire and the inner diameter of the tire. For example, a tire marked as 37-622 means it is 37 mm wide with an inner diameter of 622 mm. The inch marking system is another way to indicate tire size, often used in English-speaking countries. For example, 26 times 1 1/4 means that 26 inches is the approximate outer diameter of the tire, and 1 1/4 inch is the tire's width. However, this system can be a bit confusing and less precise. For instance, tires with diameter of 622 mm and 635 mm are both called 28 inches, but tires with an inner diameter of 630 mm are called 27 inches. Although this standard is less common now, you will still see inch sizes used, especially in mountain biking and touring. 29-inch mountain bike tires have the same inner diameter of 622 mm as 28-inch 700C hybrid tires. French size markings are another system you might see, especially on road and hybrid bikes. For example, 700 x 25C means that 700 mm is the approximate outer diameter of the tire, and 25 mm is the tire's width. C indicates the inner diameter of the tire. Tires with the same French external size markings can have different bead seat diameters, which can be confusing. The letters help to clarify this. For example, in tires with an external diameter of 650 mm, the letter A indicates an internal diameter of 590 mm. The letter B indicates an internal diameter of 584 mm. The letter C indicates an internal diameter of 571 mm. French tire size markings are still used on the road and hybrid tire, but are not used for MTB sizes. Understanding these different tire size specifications can help you choose the right tires for your bicycle, ensuring they fit properly and perform well. Let me know in the comments below if the information in this video was helpful, and what tire size standard do you typically rely on when determining the correct tire size for your bike. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, remember to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you'd like to support me further, you can buy me a coffee by clicking on the Super Thanks button below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.